soybean harvest 2021. So one thing about this year's soybeans are the weeds kind of overgrew because of a mistake we made back in the spring. We rolled the soybeans, so that was kind of the mistake we made. So that's something we're not going to do again. But yeah, here we go. We're going to combine. Acres to harvest, and yeah, all these weeds. Well, we'll get through them somehow. All right, so it's several days later here in the afternoon, and we're gonna go try and pick some more soybeans just to see what the moisture is like. Got to put the sample bucket in here. We got to dump the beans in the grain tank and then get a new sample out in the field. So I'll update you when we get out there. We're gonna take a grain tank sample. He's gonna go up in the tank, and we're gonna hold a bucket under the auger, get a little bit of the grain just to get a fresh sample. So yeah. I think we're actually gonna start harvesting soybeans today. So we're gonna get started. I got the combine right here, wagon in the back, so I'm gonna let him pull up here and we're gonna see if we're gonna get started. So I might have explained this in the last video, but for those of you who don't know, the header we're running on this was only built back in the 70s and 80s. It's a John Deere row crop head. It was, or an all crop head is another word for it, but is another name for it. But basically it was made to harvest sunflower, sorghum, soybeans, and just anything like that. So then in row crop form. And it's really nice. It worked better than a bean head for what we were doing. We tested both side by side, and this was better, and we like it, and it has never really given us much of a problem. But hopefully for this year, the weeds aren't too bad for it. We've never really had problems with weeds in the past, but, well, with weeds in the header, but we've never had this many weeds in one field. I don't know how it happened, but we're definitely gonna try and do something different next year. But yeah. All right, it's about an hour later. No, about half an hour later. We're gonna pick some soybeans because we said we'd wait just a little bit of time before we'd start. So I'm gonna start the combine up here, and then my brother's coming out. He's gonna run the combine, and I'm gonna film and get some video for you guys because you guys love watching our machinery out in the field. Alright, let this warm up a little bit. We should be ready to go. Alright. Thing looks good. Alright, we're good. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. There will be a lot more soybean harvest videos, and there will be a lot of corn harvest videos, so we're not over yet.